Here's our machine. We use a Juki, as you can see, a Juki 1508H. Very nice machine. We've had it for quite some time. Really enjoy it. It sews very well. We've got a servo motor on it, so we can slow it down or speed it up however we like. Uses a lot less power than a clutch motor. It also has this walking foot, and as you can see, the feed dogs, the foot, and the needle will all move in unison to feed the fabric through. So let me show you how it goes with just manually. So here's your feed dog. Well, put this down. So your feed dogs are coming up to your presser foot. Needle's going in. Everything's going back. Needle's coming up. Now, the middle foot. Hold on here. The middle foot's coming up, going forward, while this back foot stays down. And here it comes again. Now, this foot is going to come forward and feed it through. And that's the way we do walking foot. Hold on. I have this light here. Very important for me to have good lighting, so I've got another light here. You can see the walking foot mechanism bar here. And it's just a good machine. We really enjoy it.